All right, page 5. Start right, finish right. Write this down, please. Say yes. Say yes. Say you can help people. Say you called the right place. If you start these phone ups the right way, you're going to finish them the right way much more often than not. Somebody calls up and they say, I have bad credit. I expected this guy to do it. He actually didn't do it when I said I have bad credit. If I call the average dealership and I say I have bad credit, what do they usually say to me? What do you think they say?
Great, you called the right place.
No, that's not what they say.
Do a credit application, do a credit application.
I like what you said. You said, what's your beacon score? Can we do a credit application? What else might they say? How much do you have? Down. They start trying to work the deal over the phone when in reality we just want to see the people. If I call the average place and I say, is that your best price on the car? They waffle around. If I call the average place and I say, can you give me numbers on my car before I come down? They waffle around. So if somebody calls up and they go, hey, can you give me numbers on my car before I come down? Oh, cool. You're planning on selling us a vehicle? We need cars right now. We'd love to buy your car. Let me grab the information off of your vehicle. I didn't really say yes, but I didn't really say no either. That's this fine line. But the customer heard yes. As long as you are easy, I wrote say yes on there, but as long as they hear yes, regardless if you say it or not, they're much more apt to come down here. So you just want to be easy. You want to be friendly. You want to sound like the place that they want to come to. Because if you're upbeat, you're energetic, you're happy, most of the stuff can just fade away. And it's funny. You're going to tell the person, oh, you called the right place for a price. I can help you with the price. And then you're never even going to give them a price. The problem's just going to go away. If you're difficult at the start of the thing though, then it's going to be much harder to get it easy down the road. Start the call the right way, you're going to finish the call the right way.